Evernote has been around for years, but is it still the king of note-taking apps in 2025? With so many new competitors like Notion, Obsidian, and OneNote stepping up their game, does Evernote still hold its ground, or is it time to move on? In this short review, I'll try to answer this question. So Evernote needs no introduction. It is a well-known and popular note-taking app available for almost any platform. If you check here, go to download, you'll see it has a desktop version both for Mac and Windows. It has a mobile application for iPhone and Android, as well as a web clipper extension for Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. So you cannot go wrong with it. It does integrate in almost all of your operating systems and browser. So using it cross-platform is a breeze. Also, it does offer a free plan. However, if you do want to step up your game and have more features, I do recommend going up with a personal or professional or even a Teams plan. You can see here the comparison of all the plan capabilities in this screenshot. Going to plans, you can see it all. So, as a conclusion, if you are into note-taking and you want to organize your notes and tasks, you cannot go wrong with Evernote. However, if you want a more feature-rich platform, like for example, using it to organize your projects, have like a calendar view of your tasks and appointments and stuff like that, you can check a tool like Notion, which offers more than just simple note-taking. However, if you want a simple note-taking platform that is available for you on your desktop as well as your mobile phone, Evernote is the way to go.